Here we have a triple monitor docking station provided by TobenONE for review. TobenONE UDS033 provides 18 ports. It's compatible with Windows and Mac OS. It's made of a nice, solid aluminum metal. On the front interface, we have your power button, LED indicator, your audio in and out, two USB-C 3.0 up to 5 gigabytes per second, and 18 watts power delivery. You have 3 USB Type A 3.2 with up to 10 gigabytes per second. And you have your TF and SD card slots. On the rear, we have your HDMI 1 and your DisplayPort 1, which displays up to 4K at 60 Hz and are both driver based. Right below that, you have your HDMI 2 and your DisplayPort 2, 4K at 60 Hz and is also driver based. Here we have your DisplayPort 3 up to 8K at 30 Hz and is plug and play. Your HDMI 3 up to 8K at 30 Hz and is plug and play. You have your power in up to 120 watts. Your USB-A 3.2 up to 10 gigabytes per second. On the bottom, you have your gigabit LAN, your internet, and your Type-C host connection. Includes your Type-C connection cable and your 120 watt power adapter. HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and HDMI 3. You can plug another DisplayPort as these two can work independently. My USB-C host, then plug that into my laptop. Then I'm going to go ahead and get my power supply into your unit. Here we have our laptop running. All 3 monitors are connected, and let's go ahead and turn on the unit. Now we have 4 different monitors extended with the laptop being your main. Let's give it a try. Let's go ahead and open Excel. Here we have an Excel sheet. I can just bring that to this monitor, or that monitor. I can open another, let's say a Word sheet. Same thing. Bring it to this monitor or this monitor. And we can also open up PowerPoint. Show a presentation up here.